ahead and go in so we can get this done here. We're on the record in case number D20617-313C, Simpson versus Maxwell. Mr. Melgar, your appearance, please.
Good. Yes, good afternoon, Your Honor. Oliver Melgar, number 10146, appearing on behalf of Kurt Harris, bar number 5354, who's currently tied up in a civil trial.
All right, Mr. Grimes. Your appearance, please, sir.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Melvin Grimes, bar number 12972 for Crystal Maxwell. She's present in my office.
All right, you know I must be in a good mood since I'm willing to go ahead and move you to our August calendar call for September trial date.
Okay.
I'm not going to reopen discovery, and I'm not, I'm not going to take it out any further than that.
Okay, Your Honor, here's my issue. My client did her discovery, but she didn't properly disclose it because she was acting pro se. She won't be able to get her experts in. She won't be able to get any of that if we don't get discovery reopened.
I could have swore they already disclosed their expert.
She did not do it.
Yes.
The other side did. My client did not disclose an expert. She didn't disclose the expert report.
They did that a long time ago with Jack Howard. Jack Howard disclosed it.
I didn't see it. That's why I asked for the continuance.
Yeah,
and
I mean, Jack Howard disclosed her expert. I believe he even turned in a report. Although I didn't really look at it, but I believe he turned it over. I believe he did. But I will reopen discovery for that limited purpose to go ahead and to get it over.
Perfect.
So that they know what it is. You know, I'm not going to mess with anybody on that. What is it?
We disagree with the reopening of discovery, Your Honor.
That's just
no.
Hang on. This is for the limited purpose to make sure that the report is turned over right. We all assumed that it was done because I remember the discussion on the reports. Okay, and that was months ago.
Yes, but if it's a new report or
it should be the same report. It should be the same report.
She can't go and hire any new experts or no new reports.
Nope. This is the gentleman that Jack Howard had.
Yeah, to be clear, we're not hiring a new expert. This is stuff that when I was hired and reviewed, I went, this hasn't been disclosed. I have no record of it being disclosed. If it was, then
let's go ahead. There'll be no harm, no foul. You going ahead because I do know it's been discussed. Okay, so I will let you do that. But no other discovery, no more going out trying to find other experts and stuff like that. So do we want to keep that date then, or do we want to go ahead and continue it out, Mr. Grimes?
We want to keep the date, Your Honor. And
I know you do.
If we grant the continuance, we want her to pay for the expert that was paid. And then we want her to still be compelled to drug test.
We are still well out before that date, because it wasn't even until August the 15th, so there's no need to be paying for an expert because the expert ain't been sitting here yet.
Well, the expert has to block his time.
And I'm pretty sure he can get that time covered right now. Someone would probably love to have him. Mr. Grimes, do you need it continued, or are we good to go for the 15th?
No, Your Honor, there's still a lot to go over, and I've only been on the case a short time.
Okay.
I would like the new date that the court was...
Then we're going to move this. I do need to give you a date certain, though, because of the experts. So let me get out of this.
Calendar call's August 17th.
No. We're going to do a calendar call on August the 17th, but let me give you a date in September. That way everybody can say, and all experts are used to this stuff here. This was a 2-day trial? No, 1-day trial. September 20th. How does that sound?
No, I would need to check with Kurt because he is the one trying this case.
All right. I've got a feeling my September people are going to be really, really, really totally upset.
Okay,
I've got right now I have September 6th that is open, and then September, what was that date that I just gave? Yeah, September 20th.
20th?
Yeah, September. Did you put that in?
September 6th and 20th?
Okay.
Or we can change it if they need us to change it.
All right. I was kind of hoping that Mr. Harris's assistant would be on here also, so that he could let us know. So we're going to
Yeah, 1 second. Let me see if I can.
Yeah, we're going to tentatively set this for the 20th. Mr. Melgar, I've
Perfect.
probably got at least 45 minutes. So could you get a hold of Mr. Harris's office and see if that's a good date? And if not, just
Yeah.
sign back in, and if we see you, we'll bring you in immediately. Well, as soon as we finish with that hearing.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Grimes, is that a good date for y'all?
That day is open.
Okay, fantastic. It's not open now. It's mine. In person.
Your Honor, based on what you just said, do you want me to stay in the waiting room?
Yeah. Yeah, but you don't
Okay.
have to pay any attention, because we may have to go
And
into
I'll let-
October if
I'll
that's
let-
not good.
I'll let Melvin know if that date works.
Okay. All right.
If it doesn't work, we'll stay on and wait.
Okay. I
Okay.
appreciate it.
Oliver, if you'll call me, if it doesn't work, I'll sign back in. That way I can just sign out.
All right, give me your number. What's your cell?
Not my cell.
The office.
You have my cell.
I don't have your cell, so what is it?
Again.
I'm not putting my cell out there on the record.
Yeah, he doesn't need to do that. Call his office. Or call Mr. Hughes. I mean, he...
I can log
All right,
back in
sounds
very
good.
quickly if I'm needed.
All right.
Okay. All right, I'll let you know.
We don't need it.
Thanks, Oliver.
Thanks, Your
All
Honor.
right. We don't
Thank
need an
you, Your
order
Honor.
from today. Thank you.
Honor,
Bye.
Your Honor,
Yes, sir.
is there an update on the ATI orders?
ATI, Mom has not been going back, so Mr. Grimes, you have an uphill battle. I have sent her for multiple drug tests. She has refused to go to any of the drug tests I have sent her, and she's not doing the patch program. So you do have an uphill battle.
Okay.
All right, she
And those orders-
agreed to these drug tests that I was sending her on extra. Okay?
And those
And
orders still
she
are in
was-
place.
And she was personally served, because that was the agreement that was placed on the record, that we would email her and her attorney so that she wouldn't have to wait for the attorney to give it to her. So she knows it's there.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. All right.
Thank you.